I'm Mariana. I work at Tamaki Makaurau Property. We specialise in commercial property management, and we've just finished a recent project installing solar panels here at one of our clients' properties. At TMP, we're always looking for ways to add value and to help future-proof our clients' properties. Energy kind of considerations are a really important factor for tenants, and we're also seeing sustainability becoming more and more important for owners. We proactively suggested the installation of solar panels here as part of a wider plan to reduce operating costs, and we also saw a really big benefit for solar helping their daytime energy usage. So Future Energy were really great at highlighting the benefits of solar to both the client and the tenant so that they could understand the investment case for getting it installed. And they're also really fast, reliable, and really willing to work to a tight schedule for us to get it all installed, which was really good. From an owner's perspective, we've seen real value being added to the property for our client already. Solar helps to future-proof their investment and will also appeal to those sustainability-focused tenants in the future. After 4 to 5 years, we'll be able to see them recoup those initial costs that they paid for installing solar and be able to get that ROI, and we also anticipate seeing those reduced energy costs coming through for the tenant shortly.